My name is Tom Kvan. I'm Dean of the Faculty of Architecture, Building and Planning here at the University of Melbourne. As Dean of the Faculty, I have the opportunity to inspire students, to assist my colleagues, to work with the community across the whole region, across the world, to see what might be. Here in the university, we have constructed an environment in which students can explore, develop, and master their chosen area in which to make contribution. Central to our philosophy in education is the experiential. As such, studio education underpins the breadth of the Melbourne School of Design and much of the work of students in the Bachelor of Environments. The Bachelor of Environments exposes undergraduates to many different ways of learning and many different ways of thinking, as well as many bodies of knowledge. We cross the social sciences, the technical, the scientific, and work with design-led thinking. That allows students to consider how to integrate different kinds of knowledge into their future careers. In the MSD, we have a remarkable opportunity for students to work with the very best in their professions, but to work with them in the sense of conceptualizing and realizing the future rather than simply operating and delivering. The director of the graduate school, Professor Alan Pert, has run and continues to run a very successful research-driven design practice that brings together many professionals, many bodies of knowledge in his work. The Professor of Architectural Design, Donald Bates, has a long career in delivering the most exciting work across the world, and he has come in to help us reconsider and restructure the design studios available in the architecture program. Professor Brendan Gleeson has joined us after working in Europe and Australia in the area of social policy, and he brings a distinctive perspective at a remarkable period in Victoria's history where we need to reconsider how we plan and govern the world in which we live. Most recently, some recent graduates and current students have had a remarkable success. In the last 12 months, the state of Victoria has run a competition to solicit ideas for the redevelopment of Flinders Street railway station. This attracted 118 entries from across the world. From this, a short list of 6 was prepared. The most famous of architects around the world and in Melbourne were selected for these 6. But one of the 6 was a team led by a recent graduate, Eduardo Velasquez, and current students who developed ideas that Eduardo had articulated as part of his graduation thesis in the Master of Architecture. This project went on to win the hearts and minds of the people of Melbourne, Victoria, and across the world, and was voted for the prize of the People's Choice Award for the Flinders Street Railway Station competition. The Melbourne School of Design and the Bachelor of Environments prepare graduates to deal with the known but also the unknown. They encourage our students to be brave in thinking up solutions and working out how to realize them. And they ensure that those who graduate have the capacity to deal with the unknown.